What's up, homies, and welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you guys have a request for a tutorial, the link for the Discord is in the description below or up on the screen. And if this video helped you out, there's a thank you button where you can leave a tip. That would help me out greatly. Today we are going to learn how to play Time to Get Over by Maoli. This was requested by Keanu, so grab your ukulele and let's go jam. Hey, before I forget, here's your discount code to use in the merch store where you can get your tank tops, your shirts, your sweaters for cold season, or even your Teach Me Tuesday notebooks. So yeah, feel free to use this. Okay, let's continue with the video. Okay, so the first chord we're going to play is B minor 7. We're going to bar this second fret right here. And then the second chord we're going to play is A. Cover the top string on the second fret and then the third string on the first fret. Okay? Alright, let's go over the structure for this song. So we're going to start with an intro, and we got verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, verse 3, and chorus. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed, and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. Thank you guys for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, subscribe. If you like the video, give it a like. And if this video helps you out, you can leave a tip with the thank you button below. In the description is a link to the Discord where you can make your request for a tutorial, as well as a merch link where you can use your discount code, because it is shopping season, and why not get somebody a nice Shabalan shirt, sweater, or even a Teach Me Tuesday notebook. So yeah, okay then.